This is my stealth Amera fighter jet design with the swept wings, retractable. Oh, this is a bottom view. I kind of drew the wheel off here. It's bottom view. This wheel is supposed to be even with that one, but that's the two wheels. Doors for bombs or missiles. Rester hook. The vectoring thrust exhaust. Two rear stabilizer wings, two canard front wings, the main wings, and that's with them swept back. That's a top view. There's the cockpit, an air brake, two tail fins, the canard wings, front wings, the swept wings, kind of back a little, and then the two rear stabilizer wings, elevator wings. And then here's a side view of the plane. And then here's what the wings swept. And this is a top view. There's the cockpit, the air brake, the two main rudder tail fin wings, the elevator wings, the canard wings, and then the two main wings swept back. And there's a rester hook on it here for carrier landings. And it's stealth design.